You get in this car, you turn the key, you fire it up, you get out on the road, and it feels like you might be the first guy driving this car out of Maserati in 1956. It's that authentic. Well, we're here today with the 1956 Maserati A6G 2000 Zagato. It's one of about 20 Berlinettas coupes that were built by Zagato on the A6G 2000 chassis. So it's very, very rare. All of these cars are handmade cars. They're essentially all bespoke. So no two are alike. All 20 cars are a little bit different. To me, this car really represents the zenith of Italian coach building in the best era, the 1950s. Zagato, as a designer, was really at the forefront of all of the Italian carrozzeria coach building firms. This particular car represents, to me, the pinnacle of Zagato design in this period. They were built for racing. They were designed to be lightweight. This is a fully aluminum-bodied car that was the panels were hand-beaten in Zagato's workshops in Italy. If you look at anything from Italy in 1956, A6G 2000 Zagato is pretty much the top of the heap. Every one of these Zagato cars is unique. Every one is different. They're handmade cars. And that means when you restore one of these cars, you really need to pay attention to the individual details to make sure you get them exactly right. To that end, the previous owner of this car invested in a restoration that took almost 7,000 hours to complete because he wanted it to be perfection. He wanted to go to Villa d'Este and win best in class, which he did. This car has never lost any of its original components. It's fully numbers matching, original engine and original gearbox. Most of these cars were raced and had changes over the years. This is one of only a very small handful, 4 or 5 of these cars, that has always retained its original engine and gearbox. It's also been fully Maserati Classique certified. I think that an A6G 2000 Zagato is just about one of the prettiest cars ever made.